Hello everyone! In this video, I'm gonna unbox another single dimensional driver earphone. It's the YUANLI from brand T-Force. The brand is kind of new into this audio industry, but they already have an experienced development team for many brands in China. The earphone is named after a Chinese emperor of Tang Dynasty to embrace the Asia culture. Let's check it out together. Very soft the ear tip. Let me try it. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe us. I will bring you more audio gears unboxing in next videos. See you next time.